Hello, in front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT6, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install additional apps on your watch. Okay, in the beginning I will tell you that we cannot download basically anything that we want. We have a limited list of apps that we can install. To install those apps, we need to do it from the level of our HUAWEI Health app. I'm sure that all of you have this app installed because you had to use it to pair your phone with your watch. And here I have my phone, and I'll show you how to do it. So all we need to do is to launch our HUAWEI Health app. Now simply go into devices, now select your HUAWEI watch, and now scroll down a little bit and click on app gallery. In here you can find the list of apps that you can download into your watch. So for example, we have one calculator, that's a tool. We have the Surfing Joe, which is a game. We can download compass navigation, numpass, it's a puzzle game, a dice, throw a dice on your watch like an entertainment, and those left things. When you go to the manager, you can see the updates or the installation manager. Let's download something then. Maybe let's download two apps. Let's download the Surfing Joe maybe, and as a second thing, maybe this compass navigation. Alright. This watch has the compass built in, but let's try to download this app and maybe it will work better, and maybe it's going to be better app. Alright, now we need to simply wait until the apps are transferred, so I'll see you in a second. Okay, you can see that both apps has been installed. So now I'll place my phone next to me. I will zoom in again so you'll be able to see. Let's launch our watch. Now let's turn on the app list, and they should be all the way down. Yeah, okay, here they are. So maybe let's begin with the compass navigation. Let's check how it works. Alright, we have a lot of data. Oh, first it's getting the GPS fix. Maybe it won't work in the best way right now because it doesn't have the access into the location, but just like I was saying, don't worry, we also have the compass app built in on our watch, and it works pretty nice. So maybe let's launch the game. I just have shown you that you can download anything from that list into your watch. Of course, I highly recommend trying all of those apps on your own. Let's try with the Surfing Joe though. Can we play it? Alright, it's like basically it's like the Flappy Bird. I think that you know how this game works, so we just need to simply tap to and jump between those bars, and we need to try and get as many points as possible. You know, that's not the most advanced game in the world, but for example, if you are really bored, you can always launch it and kill some time with it. And of course, you can also try other games that were on that list that I was showing you. Okay, and if you want to uninstall those apps, simply go into the app list, hold on the icon, click on uninstall, then confirm. And now the apps are uninstalled. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.